Let us do the basic of this chapter 10, circles. First is the definition of circle, the collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane is called a circle. This is the collection of all the points in a plane which is at a fixed distance from this point, and so this is called a circle, and this fixed point is called the center of the circle, and this fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. OA is the radius and O is the center of the circle. After then there is a definition of circular region. A circle divides the plane on which it lies into three parts. One is the interior of the circle, like O and A points are inside the circle, so they are in the interior of the circle, and C is the exterior of the circle, and on the circle, B is on the circle. Every point is here is on the circle. Next is the diameter. Diameter is a double of the radius. D is 2r, or the definition is, if we join 2 points, any 2 points on the circle, of the boundaries of the circle, if we join them and they are passing through the center of the circle, then that line is known as the diameter. For example, AB is the diameter of the circle. CD is not the diameter as it is not passing through the origin of the center of the circle. After then there is a definition of the chord of the circle. Any line passing through 2 points on the circle is called the chord of the circle. Like C to D, any 2 points on the boundaries of the circle, if we join, CD is the chord, this is PQ is the chord, AB is the chord, but this is the PQ is the diameter also, and this is a chord also. But this diameter is the longest chord of the circle, and these are the smallest. So diameter is also a chord. Every diameter is a chord, but every chord is not diameter. Clear? Now next is the sector of the circle. Sector is this region which lies between 2 radius and 1 arc of the circle. The region between 2 radiuses of the circle and the arc AB of it is called the sector of the circle, and this is a minor sector and this is the major sector. There are 2 parts, major sector and minor sector. Next is the definition of segment of circle. The region between a chord, CD is the chord, O is the center, CD is the chord, this chord and this arc, the region between this chord and this arc is known as the segment of the circle. CD is the minor segment and this remaining is the major segment. And the last one is circumference, that we already know, the length of the complete circle. This boundary of the circle, the length of the complete circle is known as the circumference of the circle. So these are the basics regarding circle.